What's the lyrics, man? Sing it. You got the microphone. There we go.
Matty, wherever you go, whatever you do,
Let's go.
you know these reckless thoughts of mine are following you.
Woo! Hey guys, it's Matthew and Marcus, also known as Matty and Ninja.
Yes, more correct, isn't it?
Yeah. What are we doing, man? A bit of low back?
Yeah, just a little bit of a laid back treatment.
Yeah, pretty chill.
I'm out of the woods now, but a couple of weeks ago I was a bit pinchy, so it'd be good to do a follow-up treatment just to make sure everything's not tightening up and I don't get any more mischief happening. So yeah, it's just mainly kind of on the sacrum and the money spot, and then just a little the spine, just real low, right in close was a bit. That's where all the pain was. So
From your farmer's walk.
farmer's work, yeah, it must have been from that. Like I didn't feel it at the time, but pulled up a bit sore and pinchy days following a workout 3 weeks ago, I think.
Yeah.
So
I probably pulled up the opposite. I felt pretty good.
yeah, yeah,
Could fix my neck a bit, I'd say.
yeah.
Or maybe getting the blood flow or pulling your shoulders down, because I've had a bit of a stuffed up neck recently.
Yeah.
Not to bring it on bring the video towards my neck, but this is your session, mate.
No. It's relevant. It's what's going on. So, but I actually use that as an exercise rehab type thing. Is the isometric holds of weight. You know, whether it's with a trap bar or a straight bar. Yeah, just get your posture in the right place and the right thing switching on. And but it's more importantly, is a really good stretch through your upper traps and also the muscles that are attaching onto the insides of your shoulder blades, your scapulars. So it's probably not your conventional way. A lot of people see using bands and different things like that when they're rehabbing, the shoulder and trap region. So, but just some real basic functional exercise can really help.
Nothing better than just lifting heavy shit.
Heavy shit, yeah, walking.
To fix your shit.
Yeah, so we do both farmers walks and the trap bar or the diamond bar. We've got 3 different choices of way we can walk. And one of the things we do that's a bit different too, we don't just walk forwards. We walk forwards, backwards, and sideways. So we're kind of having to engage our posture and coordination in. And overcome different forces, you don't want to, even when we rotate and go to sideways, there's a lot of control needed in that part of the exercise, so you can get a lot out of that. And, grip strength, our cameraman Leo, get a grip on life. All us 3 are really big into grip strength, and holding on to heavy shit is a really good way of doing it. Like we like getting on the bars and hanging and doing our pull-ups and things as well.
This is a great opportunity to put in the video of you falling off the bar then.
Oh, really?
How good's your grip, mate?
12 months ago, I reckon, to the day,
Yeah.
I come off the bar trying to do a max set of pull-ups. 12 months on later, I'm stronger at pull-ups and deadlifts and squats right now, so I'm pretty proud.
Yeah. Good PB now, you reckon?
Yeah, well, I equaled my PB on deadlifts from over 10 years ago.
Yes.
And about a 20-year PB in squats. So it's sort of, age doesn't need to be a barrier. You can still keep on pushing and have a plan. You can still hit numbers that you were hitting when you're younger.
So what are the PBs?
My PB for deadlift was 190. So I hadn't hit that for about 10 years. But
50 years old, cunts.
Yeah.
Bleep that.
Yeah.
Damn.
Yeah.
190.
200 I've got to my knees before, not been able to straighten up. I got 195. I was trying to get my PB. It would have been 8 weeks ago now.
Like PB,
complete
for your whole
PB.
life.
And I got it off the ground. I thought I was going to do it, and then I just couldn't get above my knees. It was another one of those ones. But
yeah, been there.
Yeah, maybe tonight with the trap bar, I can punch out another 200, get to the 200 keg lift to happen again. I haven't done that for 8 years or something with a trap bar, so that'll be good to to feel that weight. It's when you're lifting these real heavy weights, it's insane the kind of nervous system shock and the pains you can feel through your nerves when they're stretching out and your grip and things like that. But there's also this euphoria and dopamine and things that happen as well. So tell me about, you know, when you're doing your ninja stuff, Matty, like when you're kind of in the zone, bro, and like our cameraman, he probably knows this too. When you're in the zone, how does it feel each time you catch, you know, a ring or something like that that's kind of, you know, outside of the normal human's reach, you know, and you clear something? What's that feel like in your body and in your mind?
When you make a catch to that, like you completed it, like
yeah.
you've reached it, and you have to like send it, kind of thing.
Yeah, you sent it. You've got to launch yourself, and then you got to catch a spinning wheel or something, whatever it might be.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Like you've seen other people kind of go in the water, and you just catch it confidently. What's it feel like, man?
I mean, I guess it's pretty fun. Like you feel like you're a superhero. Like you're flying in midair, and you've got to trust that you're going to catch it. And if you hesitate, then you're not going to perform the right way, and then you're going to be in the drink.
Yeah.
So yeah, just it's not like your classic lifting, right, where you're safe, where you're holding what you want to hold, or you're reaching the cables, you're doing exercises. Like you've actually got to fucking like send it and you know, be flying for a couple of seconds and then catch it. It's quite it's thrilling.
Yeah.
But it's very functional as well, and you feel like you just use your whole body to its full potential.
Yeah.
What would you say, Leo? Any extra 2 cents on it?
You kind of see yourself doing it before it actually happens, and when you pull it off, you're like, man, it worked.
Yeah.
You know?
You envisioned it,
yeah.
and you saw it, and then you did it. Yeah. Heck yeah.
Yeah. One thing I'd like to kind of ask is, like, you know, when you're really concentrating or really focused, can you over concentrate, or is that the way you got to do it? You got to really focus and you know, or does that mean that you're not relaxing enough? Is there kind of, you know, when you're in that zone, you can't do anything wrong. Is there still an element of relaxation and confidence and certainty? Or have you got to be just in such a...
Just got to be in flow state, eh? Just do what you normally do in training.
Yeah.
I think a lot of people might overthink things. And I don't know, especially if you're talking about the show, that's when if you're losing sleep and then you're thinking too hard, you're thinking, oh, I've got to put my right foot first, my left foot first before I jump on the trampoline. It's like, bruh, relax. Just jump on that trampoline like you always do, brother.
Yeah,
You'll be fine. You're laughing.
Yeah. Body works it out. It knows.
Yeah, it knows.
It's got a memory.
Like if I've got to work out how to sprint and got to work out how, like which foot where, or where my arms are swinging, I'm like, my sprint is crap. I just got to just sprint, right?
Yeah.
That's my way, at least. More intuitive. But hey, some people are more structured.
You got to just get your basics set up, right? So you got your arms and your feet are in the right spots to take off, but then just run, isn't it?
Yeah. Just run.
Because if you're set up wrong, your arms in the wrong spot, or your feet are in the wrong spot, you know, from the takeoff, you can kind of, that initial take off is off, isn't it? Because your hands aren't in the right place to propel your body forward. So if you just set up right and then just run. So that's one of my main things, is you kind of have your rituals and your setup, so they're just sort of so ingrained that you don't even have to think about them. All you got to think about is run. Run. Compete, try and beat people and off your mark.
This one, or should I do on the other side? What's better for the camera?
In there.
Just do it. Whatever you need. What's the lyrics, man? Sing it. You got the microphone. There we go.
Matty, wherever you go, whatever you do,
Let's go.
you know these reckless thoughts of mine are following you.
Woo! Getting ready for summer.
Yeah, karaoke.
Yeah, should do some karaoke, mingle a bit,
Yeah.
meet some ladies.
Yeah, it's a bit of speed dating.
Yeah. Why not?
Make your own up, just go around. speed date them. They don't even have to know, do they? You just have a chat with them. Freak.
Yeah, you're doing speed dating. They're just chilling with it.
Yeah.
That's all right.
That's cool. That's the original speed dating, isn't it?
Yeah.
See who you like the vibe of.
Takes a bit of courage, hey, to introduce yourself and meet
Yeah.
someone, right?
Yeah.
You either come off as a creep or it works well.
Yeah.
Fuck.
But I suppose that's marketing, isn't it? Like,
That's
only 10% buy. It's the way to numbers game. You got to get out there, but I suppose you got to have your pitch and be confident, your body language, all these kind of things, and have something to give.
It's true.
Demonstrate your value.
I have had some rejections
Yeah.
recently, but some wins as well. So
Yeah, it's good, man.
that's
what it's
part-
all about.
That's part of it, yeah.
You got to ask the question. You don't know unless you do.
Yeah. Fun times.
Oh, that feels good, Matty. You've listened and learnt well.
Yeah, I've been working here for 5 years.
5 years, mate.
I hope I know what I'm doing. Leo, the cameraman, probably doesn't know anymore. He's too busy on the camera.
Hey, what do you reckon? You got to win Practitioner of the Year this year, Matty?
How do you win that?
Oh, it's the we look at the whole person really, and their efforts and contributions and their effectiveness, things like that.
Yeah.
And
Right,
yeah,
let's go for plumber.
plumber of the year. Yeah, it's sort of it's a holistic kind of thing.
Yeah.
So yeah, we look at not just the numbers. It's sort of how you are in the thing.
Yeah.
I definitely think you've got that ability to win Practitioner of the Year any year you kind of want to win it, man. So that's a good plug. Anybody out there watching this, fucking come and get a treatment off Matty. He is a gun. Fix anything, anyone he kind of puts his mind to. So
Yeah, a win's always amazing.
yeah.
You fix people and they come back and they tell you about how it's fixed and they're just so happy. So
Yeah.
change of character.
Yeah. It changes their life, doesn't it, man?
Yeah.
It's that's priceless, Like, yeah.
What about those walk-ins that come in? They're from another part of the city. They walk in and they see you, and they write the reviews on Google. Remember those walk-ins?
What walk-ins?
There have been walk-ins, bro, who they've just seen.
Walk-ins usually, like in Richmond especially as well, like they just don't really, I think they're just
Okay.
cruising along. I don't know. But like last Saturday I had someone who drove from Shep, and because they had OP stuff.
Yeah.
OP. Especially when they come from somewhere that drive like a couple hours, you go, all right, I'm fixing this first. Like,
Yeah. It's very validating, man.
yeah. It's always cool to like you treat the spot for half an hour, then you test it, and like it's fixed, and then it's another spot, and you fix, and it just like, you keep tracing the spot, and before you know it, it's very very little, and then gonna just keep that up with strength work and mobility. Or changing bad habits that may have caused it in the first place. Habit, Power of Habit, Atomic Habits, been reading them.
Yep.
Really good books if you haven't heard of it. Everything we do is habit. We're creatures of habit.
Yeah.
You would know about that.
One.
We got quotes about it, right?
Yeah, one of our favourite one, Aristotle, a couple of 1,000-year-old quote. You are what you repeatedly do. Excellence is not a one-off act. It's a habit. You're going to keep on doing things. Consistency over complexity wins, type of things.
Go off, mate.
Yeah, I got my little phrases that help me navigate life.
Yeah.
Good thing to have little phrases or little things, whatever it might be for you. You just got to have these little things that help you stay on your track.
Yeah.
Yeah, remind you.
1%ers. Start the day off, make your bed.
Yeah.
The rest of the day will follow.
Yeah.
Keep it up.
It is. Being organised, it feels good, doesn't it?
Oh yeah, clear mind, clear state.
I'll tell you what, it's challenging when you got 3 little kids. You're looking after them by yourself. You got to let it go a little bit too, man, because it's hard to have the house looking ship shape when tornado goes through.
Tornado.
Sometimes you got to go. I'm just got to,
you got
sleepy.
the Powerpuff Girls in your house. Eh?
Yeah. Yeah, I just got to get them out of the house, or you know, just got to go and have some rest, and clean later.
Go to the toilet, take a dump, just be in the toilet for like half an hour, peace and quiet.
Yeah, nah, well, you got little ones there. They're there, sit on your lap.
Oh, alright, never mind.
Yeah,
no quiet time.
Yeah, going to the toilet without, you know, in private is sort of something that doesn't necessarily happen anymore.
Yeah. What's a privacy?
For a portion of time.
So yeah. What about when you're in the car, you're driving home?
We do get alone time. But yeah, it's unrealistic to kind of think that you're going to have fully organised, spick and span kind of house and fully stocked cupboards and things like that when you got little ones running around, and it's transient. It's not forever, and you got to love the time that they're young and little and they're cute.
Yeah. True, yeah. Cherish every moment.
Yeah, because we're probably not so cute when we get a bit older, are we?
Oh, yeah,
we have cute times, and we have a bit of time we're a bit ugly and bit resistant.
Looks is just the outer.
Yeah.
It's all about the character of the person.
Yeah.
How they carry themselves.
Beauty is in the eye of the beholder.
How many quotes this guy have? Explain that one.
The beholder. Everyone
Wait,
looks alright after a certain amount of beers.
Wait, say the quote again.
It's meant to be beauty is in the eye of the beholder. I just changed it a little bit.
The Marcus Ninja.
Ninjaism.
Yep, ninjaism.
Whoever's holding the beer decides.
Alcohol's interesting.
Yeah.
Shifts our perception of.
Yeah.
Peer
Self-esteem, or your self-belief.
Or blocks that part of the brain where
self-worth.
You don't overthink something, right? Like if you're like I don't like to drink, but because in my head I'll go like I don't want to drink, I don't want to have poison, I don't want to do something, I don't want to think the next day. Blah, blah, blah. But then once you start drinking, those worries go away, and then you're like,
they're out the window.
Yeah, I'm like, I don't care, I want to drink. Yeah, I want to talk to that person. Yeah, why not?
Yeah.
It's good to relax sometimes.
Yeah. Good to do a bit of both.
Good courage.
Yeah. Anyway, we better wrap this video up. Young Matty.
Yep. Ninja
and Matty.
Ninja and Matty.
Right.
Episode 200, this one.
Like another beauty, mate.
Yep. Cool.
Bit easy viewing there for the people out there. I hope, if you are watching this on YouTube, please like, subscribe, share our videos, share our content around. We're trying to get more love around the world, deep tissue love, and more care for people, more compassion, and I think it starts with some good body work, unravel some of your shit.
Bodywork's nice, you just have a chat, it's just a good way to
connect.
And if you want to connect with our conversations as well, you can leave a comment, you can join the convo. And we'll talk about it in another video as well, probably.
Yeah, give us some topics to talk about.
Yeah, why not?
Yeah.
Alright, peace out.
Done.